Hello students, welcome to Science Learning Gateway. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to discuss some of the important diagrams from your science subject, and this is especially for the Karnataka State Board students. So please go through this video once and practice the diagrams carefully and neatly so that in your exam you can score good marks from the diagram section. So let's start with the discussion. Okay, so first of all, you all know that chemical reaction and equation chapter is removed from your state syllabus. So no need to practice any diagram from this lesson because this chapter will not come in your exam. Our next topic is your chapter number 2, acid, bases and salt. From this you have to practice figure number 2.1, and the name of the diagram is reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen gas by burning. This diagram is very important. Many times this exam is asked in the board exam. The next diagram is also from the second chapter, acid, bases and salt, and the name of the diagram is acid solution in water conducts electricity. Equally, this diagram is also important. Third chapter, metals and nonmetals. From this you have to practice figure number 3.3, and the name of the diagram is action of steam on a metal. This diagram is also asked many times in the exam, so practice this diagram. Next we have from the same chapter figure number 3.8, testing the conductivity of salt solution. Next what you have is next from the lesson metals and nonmetals, you have the same you have the same from the same chapter figure number 3.12, and the name of the diagram is electrolytic refining of copper. This diagram is very important. Next we have from chapter number 6, life process. This chapter is from biology, and we have to practice figure number 6.3, open and closed stomatal pore. From the same chapter, figure number 6.6, human alimentary canal. This diagram is very important. Generally, this question is asked for in the exam. Next, you have from the same chapter, figure number 6.10, systematic section view of human heart. Human heart diagram is also very much important. Sometimes the diagram will be given, you have to label the parts which is asked like A, B and C, you have to label like that. Or sometime in the exam, it is asked that draw the human heart diagram. Then you have to draw that. Next, from the same chapter, figure number 6.13, excretory system in human beings. This diagram is also very important. All the diagrams from this lesson, life process, is very important. Okay, next next chapter from life process, figure number 6.14, structure of nephron. Nephron is equally important. So all the diagrams from this lesson is very important. So practice all the diagrams very carefully. Next we have the chapters number 7, control and coordination. From this you have to practice structure of neuron. This diagram is important as well as easy also, so children, please practice this diagram. Next, from the same chapter we have figure number 7.3, human brain. Human brain, as you know, it is very important. Sometimes the figure will be given, labelings will be marked as A, B, C and D. You have to write the names, and sometimes it is asked to draw the human brain. So practice the diagram carefully. Next we have chapter number 12, electricity. From electricity, you have to practice figure number 12.1, a systematic diagram on electric circuit. These diagrams are asked many times, so practice this diagram. Next you have from the chapter electricity, you have to practice that symbols table. That chapter, I think your teachers have also told that those symbols and all those things are very important. So you have to practice those table. So that is very, sometimes it will be asked draw the symbol of bulb. Sometimes it will be asked draw the symbol of a wire joint, switch and all. So you have to practice that table very carefully. Table number 12.1. Next, from the electricity chapter, you have to practice electric circuit for studying Ohm's law. Okay, that Ohm's law statement is also important and diagrams is also important. So practice that diagram. From the chapter electricity, again you have to practice resistors in series and resistors in parallel. It is given in figure number 104, 12.6 and 12.7. So practice the diagram very carefully. Next we have magnetic effect of electric current. From that you have to practice figure number 13.6a, a pattern of concentric circles indicating the field lines of magnetic field around the straight conductor wire. Sometimes this question is asked along with a question. Writing part also you have to write, and at this in the same question figure is also asked. From the same lesson, figure number 13.15, a simple electric motor, two-dimensional or three-dimensional. That electric motor diagram which you have in page number 126. Practice the diagram very carefully. Next we have figure number 13.19, illustration of principles of electric generator, 2D and 3D. Motor and electric generator, equally those two diagrams are very important. So practice those diagrams carefully. Next, from chapter number 8, how do organisms reproduce? You have to practice that flower diagram. Figure number 8.1, longitudinal section of flower. This diagram is also asked for 3 marks like that. So practice the diagram. How do organisms reproduce? From that chapter, figure number 8.8, germination of pollen on stigma. This diagram is also important. Now we have the chapter number 10, light reflection and refractions. You know that in this chapter, all the ray diagrams are very important. Whether the diagrams are for reflections or refraction, all the diagrams are very important. So practice figure number 10.7 and 10.16. Next we have from the same lesson, nature, position and relative size of image formed by concave lens. Concave lens, convex lens. Both the diagrams are important, so practice all the diagrams from the chapter light, reflection and refraction. Next you have human eye and the colorful world. From this, the corrections of eye, the eye defects like myopia, myopia, those diagrams are important. So practice figure number 11.2 for far point of myopic eye, correction of myopia. And figure number 11.3 also you have to practice for near point of hypermetropic eye, correction of hypermetropic eye. Now, the human eye and the colorful world, you have to practice that spectrum diagram also. Recombination of the spectrum of white light. Last year, this question was asked in that pre-board exam. So, practice this diagram very carefully. Next, from the sources of energy, you have to practice that biogas plant. Figure number 14.4. Only these diagrams you have to practice for your exam. Our environment chapter is not there, and in that chapter we don't have any important diagrams also, so no need to practice any diagram from that lesson. Okay, so all the figures which are given in this video, practice all the diagrams carefully, mark down in your textbook, practice it nicely and score good marks in your exam. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it. And sorry that from many days I am not making any video, but I will be regular. And for 10th standard I have not uploaded the 2 lessons. That 2 lessons also I will upload it, and other lessons are there in the playlist of class 10 science. You can check it from there, and if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. I will definitely try to clear your doubt. Thank you for watching my channel Science Learning Gateway. You can also connect with me through my Facebook page. The link I will provide in the description box. Thank you for watching.